It's got standard Maxitrak Baldwin. Slight difference with this one is we've got the full RC setup with sound system, so it makes it look a bit more complicated in the back. We've got a 4QD controller, digital interface board, we've got a relay board, we've got the RC receiver, the sound system, battery pack for the RC, battery pack for the sound system, then the standard batteries running the 24-volt system. So we're going to give her a quick run today. So the switching on sequence is you turn on the radio control pack, MCB on the bottom of the buffer beam, then on this side you've got two small switches, sound system and RC. With everything turned on, it will actually run. So we move forward for backwards. See how good I am at multitasking now. So it's a nice simple system. You can do it one-handed. Now I'm going to run through the sound system. So we've latched the relay so that you can do the sound system on the other channel. If you turn the steering wheel to your left, start the sound system. If you want to run the horn, turn it to the right. If you want to put the sound system in half volume, turn it to the left quickly twice and put it into half volume. If you want to bring it back out of half volume, turn it to the left quickly twice. And finally, if you want to turn the sound system off, click to the left and hold. Once the sound system noise is turned off, if you turn it to the right, you still have your horn. So I'll run through that again quickly. One left click turns it on. Right click does the horn. When you come into the station, if you want to quieten it down, two clicks to the left will put it on half volume, and the horn still works, but everything's a bit quieter. Turn it off half volume, two clicks to the left again, we're back to full volume. If you want to turn the sound system off, press to the left and hold. that still run forward and backwards. And you've still got your horn. Once you've finished your run, switch it off. Turn the two switches off on the left hand side. Throw the MCB and it's completely dead. The only other thing, of course, is the flashing lights and headlights that are on the body themselves. Going to emulate a braking signal by turning the handset off. Once the loco comes along, we'll see that it just comes to a stop on this normal braking sequence. So I'll go full power, switch the handset off. Handset's off, just stops. So if it does go out of range, the locomotive just comes to a simple stop. Switch it back on, we should be working again. Off. It's not proving all that easy to do this because industrial estates are busy, but I've got about as far away as I can from the loco. You can see that little yellow dot in the distance. That's the Baldwin right at the end outside our units. What I'm going to do is just see how far this works. So just switch the RC on, turn the sound system on. Oh no, sorry, doing the horn. Turn the sound system on. Don't know if you can hear that, I can hear it, but you can definitely hear the horn. Right in the distance there you can just see driving forward. Driving back again.